I'm not really a fan of Kyren kasi Jarfrang talaga ako ever since nasa inside PBB pa lang sila. But still, this duo you cannot deny. They are actually good together and pareho silang talented and spokening dollar pa. And their vibes really matches. Ang cute din ni Kai and Jaren is so pogi. Every time he speaks, nakakilig talaga. Diyos ko, boses pa lang niya na. Wait lang. Masaya yung press con and it was actually my first time attending one. And nakaka-vibe lang talaga yung mga artista, guys. And I had a chance din to ask Jaran a question. Since they will be performing at Kalayaan 2025, syempre I asked something related to that. So yeah, here's the video. Hello, Kai and Jared. I'm actually not fond of BBB talaga, but because of you guys, especially you and Jared and Fiang, naging fan ako ng PBB. While watching PBB, I always see positive side of you, Kai. So this is my question: what message of positivity would you like to share with Filipinos this Kalayaan 2025?
Positive for the Filipinos. Siguro in relation to kalayaan and freedom, let's all remember, as what Jaren said, go back to our roots. Whether it may be Filipino or kahit ano man yan, we always need to go back to our roots because again, as Jaren said, once you find that community to share with of your roots as Filipino, ang ganda sa feeling, that feeling of familiarity with the people around you. It's a community. You build something, you build a relationship out of that community. And, you know, you don't feel alone because you feel as if you are part of a group. You're part of a community. And that is being Filipino.
Anyway, during the press con, we didn't just meet Kyren, but also Julia Barreto, our dancing queen. Sobrang sexy pala talaga ni Julia, guys, and she speaks so sweetly. While staring at her, na-inspire ako na magpapayat talaga, but only during that time, kasi after ng press con, lumamon agad ako ng napakamaraming pagkain. Funny but true, guys. Pagkain lang naman kasi ang nakakawala ng pagod ko, char. During the press con, I was with my fellow influencers here. Mostly yung mga sasali rin sa fashion show. Kasama ko sila Bruhilda, Kai, Asian Boy, Mami Cheng, Mira, Willard, Roland in Dubai, at marami pang iba. Kaya abangan nyo sa next upload ko yung video, guys. Kasi sobrang saya nun. And para sa mga di nakasali ngayong Kalayaan 2025, sana naman makasama namin kayo by next year.
Kung sakali na ma-miss mo ko,